We're going to try the letter O again.
Okay. I want to see something other than O too.
Yeah, we'll show you T and L and S.
Robot rights.
Hopefully it's not going to get caught on that this time. No, it did get cut. Let's keep it out on the tape. Do another one.
Hello. What letter are you going to do now?
Let's see.
So part of doing your demo is explaining to the people around you what's going on. Like Professor Costello to your right.
The letter L.
Yeah, I worked that whole thing out, the whole encryption thing out of my head.
Not quite an L.
Just taking this with you.
So a lot of people showed up today.
Yeah.
I had it.
So it plays a different sound for every letter too. So that sounds okay.
That was an N?
Yeah, that was supposed to be an N, but the curve's way too wide.
Was that an O or an S?
This is an S.
Did you guys put a predefined path for each letter, or how does it go about doing a C or an S or a P? Or
You choose a letter here on the menu, and then it would, in a sequence, it would do
the Morse code?
yeah, it would lift the arm up and down, and the longer it lifts, it would,
Yeah, but suppose let's say it knew, okay, I said a P.
Okay.
How does it know